Welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today we're doing another barn find video. Since the last one got a lot of views, we'll like to replicate that thing, but we're going to pick up another ski, and this one is a little bit better shape, and we're gonna fix it up, get it back in the water, and have some fun. So we're on our way to my girlfriend's job, and I can't go through there.
Just do it.
It's right there.
Just do it.
I can't, bitch.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I can't. I'm just gonna park right here. We're gonna walk away. Cool. So, we're at my girlfriend's job. We're gonna steal the ball so we can tow this jet ski home because Cameraman had a fucking 2-inch ball. Thought somebody wanted to race. And this shit looks so sketchy. It looks like we're stealing something. Yeah, you better walk away, bitch. We're on our way. Speed limit. From street light to moose, we're in country town. Is that a cop car?
There is no like street light, dude.
So you know, we just made it to Mexico. We're waiting for the seller to come outside so we can take the jet ski. We got the money, but where's the ski? Alright. So that was a success. We picked up that ski. Oh, wait, it's a bump. Is it still there? Is it still?
It's there.
Yeah, it's there. So we stopped by the self-wash car wash, and we're gonna clean this puppy up so we can work with a clean bitch. We're gonna go ahead and inspect the damages that we're gonna have to repair. So as you can see, there's still plenty of mold to take care of, but it's okay. I got a big old bottle of bleach. Give this thing. Oh my God, a big ass. Hello. Hey, homeboy, I got a jet ski for sale. You want it? With trailer.
Nope.
Runs and drive. The trailer, not the jet ski. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down there, subscribe, and let us know if you're liking these barn find from the middle of nowhere jet skis. But anyways, subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bam, son!